It's your AI business bestie, and today I'm spilling the tea on how you can direct and create your animated stories for YouTube without being an animator. AI tools let you bring your characters to life with zero coding or design background. You can write your script, generate your scenes, and even add voiceovers, all from your phone or your laptop. Whether you want to tell kids stories, teach a lesson, or share your brand message, animation helps you stand out, grow subscribers, and build trust fast. Check out my animation, Beauty and JJ.
Hey, it's Beauty and JJ. We got a book and we're ready to play. Books by Ebony Jackson light up the day with stories that giggle and games that say. Open a book, come read along. It's story time fun with a happy song. Story time with Beauty and JJ.
Hi friends, I'm Beauty, and this is my best buddy, JJ. Today we're reading a book by author Ebony Jackson. It's called The Silly Duck Parade. Let's open it up and see what happens in the Silly Duck Parade. Once upon a giggle, in a town full of quacks, the ducks lined up wearing party hats. They marched to the beat. Quack, quack, tap, wearing boots and silly caps. These ducks were so funny, wow. That's the end of the Silly Duck Parade. If you had fun reading with us, give us a big thumbs up and tell a friend. See you next time for another awesome story with Beauty and JJ.
I hope you enjoyed. That was my new animation, Beauty and JJ. If you would like to create these, I've already did the heavy lifting for you. Check out my Beacons store in my bio, and I'll walk you step by step. You can also email me for one-on-one sessions. Tap the link in my bio and start building your animated YouTube channel today. It's your AI business bestie. Let's turn your ideals into income. Bye-bye.